To take out the door panel, first we will open the door. We will use a plastic trim remover tool like this and we'll try punching it in to take out the plastic cover on top of the handle. Using the tool, we are actually pulling the plastic cover outwards. At some point, you will be needing another plastic cover to actually hold on to it from the top side. With the similar approach, we will keep trying to push the plastic cover outwards until it loses the tabs that it's attached with. We will go all the way till the end until the point the plastic cover comes out. There we took out the plastic cover. Behind the plastic cover, notice there is one screw at the top and one screw at the bottom, and we will be using Torx 20 bit to take out both of those screws. We'll also use a small extension along with a small wrench to take it out. There we got the top screw taken out. Similar way, we will take out the bottom screw. There we got the second screw taken out. Now I will use a plastic trim remover tool just like this and will try punching it in towards the end of the door panel. With the plastic cover inside, now I will be trying to push the door panel against the door until it comes out completely. There we were able to pull it out. Notice with our approach, the other side also pulled out. Now we will hold the door panel and try lifting it upwards so that the top part is also separated from the door. Behind the door panel, there's actually a harness for the door that needs to be pulled out. Just push it outwards and the harness will come out. Now the bottom harness is for the glass switch. There's no way you could take it out from behind. It has to be taken out from the front. We'll take it out using the same plastic trim remover tool. Punch in the tool from the front side and then pull the switch out. Behind the switch, there is that plug right there. Just pull out the plug and that's how you take it out. You can actually do this process of taking out the switch at the very beginning of the steps as well if you want. With the switch taken out, there we ended up taking out the door panel completely. Now if you want to put back the door panel, just reverse the steps we did for takeout and you should be fine. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.